So the reason I chose to associate with IPV was very simple, right? I mean, I was an investor with IPV even before I got into the startup space. And I had had a very good experience looking at startups, looking at the rigor in which IPV gets into when assessing these startups and going deep diving into each of these startups. The way IPV brought in experts and the way the 360 view of the startup was taken, I was very impressed with that, right? I mean, and I'd known the team ever since. And when I was doing my own startup, IPV was one of the natural choices to go to because of the quality that they brought in on the platform. And I had seen that firsthand. So for me, it was a no-brainer to go with IPV. Knowing Ankur, knowing Mitesh very well, it became a no-brainer to come to you guys from an investment perspective. Yeah, no, sure. One of the best parts about IPV has been the kind of support I've got right from the leadership all the way to the ecosystem of investors that have invested in us. Going to Ankur for any sort of questions regarding investors, regarding structuring, regarding negotiations. He's been very, very approachable, and so has been the support from the investor community itself. IPV has also created an ecosystem of people who can help us from the investor community, and that's been very helpful. And we have found very good people right from we're a fintech, and finding people in the industry which have relevant experience goes a long way in terms of giving us the right guidance. So that's been very helpful.